Well, that's a strange looking bunch of ingredients. What could you make with this? I hear you. I hear you. Today we're gonna make KingCobra's candy calzone. It looks quite horrifying, but he actually really liked it. If you watch his video, he really liked it. I can't imagine this is gonna be good for you at all, but we're gonna give it a shot. You'll never guess what temperature we're preheating the oven to. 420, of course. The jokes write themselves. We'll start off with 2 slices of bacon. Okay, let's open this crust. Actually, we should probably grease this first. Okay. Let's flip the bacon. Okay. Okay. Spread some peanut butter on this. I feel like I'm gonna break the crust by spreading it like this. I don't know. I'm trying to be kind of gentle with it. Maybe just a little bit more. I really don't think I'm going to be eating a lot of this, so maybe we shouldn't make it super heavy and full of stuff. I just can't imagine it's going to taste good, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll give it a fair shot. Give it another flippy. Brown sugar. Some on top. These are definitely done. Pat dry here. Soak up the excess grease. Okay, let's slice up this banana. I'm gonna use my right hand. I'm actually right-handed. Alright, the banana slices go on top. I don't think I'll use them all because I like bananas and I'll just eat them. I think that's probably good, right? Mozzarella cheese. Crumble the bacon. The nice thing about this recipe is that it's with pretty normal ingredients that you would use a lot in other recipes. So I've actually used most of the pepperoni for other things. Okay, I think that's good. Just like Cobra did, I froze these chocolates. I have different chocolates than he's using. I didn't remember what kind he had, but I don't think I can get them here. So I just made a guess as to what would work. I'll have to unwrap these. I don't think this thing needs any more cheese, but here we are. That's all my cheese. Okay, and then brown sugar on top of that. Okay, we're gonna fold it over and kind of turn it into a calzone type of thing. Then we'll put brown sugar on top of that. Into the oven. We'll do 18 minutes. Okay, it's time. I can really smell the peanut butter. The peanut butter is the strongest smell I have right now. On the bottom, it doesn't look like it's really burned or anything. Let's check it out. I mean, it's dark. Well, maybe it's not too bad. It's not too bad. But yeah, the strongest smell right now is peanut butter. Let's cut it in half. Okay, let's take a look. You can see the melted chocolate. Doesn't look particularly appetizing. Let's tap it again there. All right, take this one. Alright, it's the moment of truth. Let's see. Oh, it's a goopy mess. It smells like chocolate. Well, that is really interesting. It's I mostly taste banana and chocolate. Banana and chocolate is the most overpowering flavor. Um, Even though the pepperoni is in there, uh, you can't really taste it with everything else that's combined with it. But you do taste it after, like sort of towards the end of when you're done chewing, you taste the pepperoni. Um, I'm guessing the using mozzarella cheese here is the best cheese to use because it's so neutral tasting. It's not very sharp. It's very, so it's not going to really have a very strong flavor. Let me try another bite here. It's not like really good or anything. It's just, it's okay actually. Surprisingly, it's okay. I can't believe it, but it's actually okay. Like it's all right. I don't know if I would probably take the pepperoni out. I didn't taste any on that bite. I would take the pepperoni out. If you just had peanut butter, brown sugar, chopped up bananas, and chocolate, just those things together, could be like a nice dessert, I guess. Um, the pepperoni is a little silly, but it's you guys aren't gonna believe it, but it's not bad. It's not good for you. Definitely don't eat this if you're wanting to be healthy, but it's not bad, truthfully. I can't believe it. Yeah, without the pepperoni, it would just be kind of a very, I guess kind of a ghetto dessert. Man, that's strange. I can't believe it's not disgusting. I can't believe it's not disgusting. It's really surprising to me that it's not disgusting. I'm really shocked. But I guess kind of relieved because, who likes to eat disgusting things? I don't know if I'll eat the rest of it, just because it's very, very unhealthy. But yeah, it's not bad.